How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to be showing the best screen recorder for your gaming videos. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Okay, so now you have the product installed. I'm going to show you how to use it, and I'm going to show you how to import stuff and like add background music and make certain cuts and stuff. So I'm going to import a clip. I'm going to try and find a clip for my games folder, but has not been edited yet. This video actually has no sound, so hopefully. So yeah, so this is the video right here. It's obviously not gonna look like this for you, but I'm gonna show you how to make cuts. So if you want to cut a certain part of your video, what you want to do is you want to hold C on your computer, or you can go to this razor tool right here. You can just hold C on your computer or your keyboard or anything. Then you want to cut. First of all, you have to drag to where you want to cut. So I'm gonna cut out the theme song of this game, and so you can see the theme song like runs like this before the game actually opens the loading screen. As you can see, this theme song the game is playing, and it looks okay. So around here is when the theme song stops. So yeah, this is me right here making a funny face. But I'm gonna like press C on my computer. I'm going to click directly on where my line is. I'm going to click on it. As you can see, it's like split into two clips. It's split into two clips. So this is the clip. This is one clip and this is another clip. So I'm going to cut out the entire beginning of the theme song. So what I want to where's showcase of the products, Olive Free video recorders, video editor. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, just drop a like on it, and make sure to subscribe down below, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on an upload. And my name is Lezaford. Stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.